I had a dream that stole my sleep. Every single day I thought about it. Sometimes I would just walk to the market, not to buy it, but just to see it. But this time, it felt different. I felt confident, so I took that leap of faith. Now that my coffee is over, let me tell you, this isn't just about a camera. This is about a middle class boy and his crazy, relentless love for cinema. It started back in 2018, the day I uploaded my first YouTube video. It was a piece of shit, but I didn't care. I just wanted to create, not just video, anything.
Every day seems a little longer. Every way love's a little stronger. Come what may, do you ever long for true love from me? Every day it's a getting closer, going faster than a roller coaster. Love like yours will surely come my way. Hey, hey, hey. Love like yours will surely come my way.
My crew, Balli, Yuvraj, Anand and Ajubhaiya, the OGs. Every vacation we made a film, which never ever passed the teaser phase. But no worries, we would come up again because we had the shared passion, a wild dream to be seen on the big screen. But you know how life works. Everyone got busy, so did I. And slowly that dream got buried somewhere inside. Then came 2020. The world stopped. I was back home in my village. Zero network, zero distractions. And somehow that silence gave birth to another short film. Then another. And just like that, I found my love again, stronger this time. Cinema wasn't just a hobby anymore. It was a feeling, a fire. And that love gave me a new dream, to own that one machine that could bring my vision to life. So I got to work, freelanced, hustled, saved. But life had other plans. My family was struggling, so I gave it all away. Every single penny. No regrets. Just a pause. Trust me. Years passed until one day I traveled solo, borrowed that camera, and bro, that feeling. It was magic. That's when I knew what was missing all this time, and I fell in love all over again, harder this time. I went back to freelancing, saved whatever I could, faced debt, took financial L's, learned, grieved, and finally I said, screw it. Let's buy this on EMI. So yeah, I ordered it on EMI. Don't ask how I'm gonna pay for it. Remember, this isn't just about a camera. It's about chasing that old dusty dream and finally holding it in your hands. Signing off until next.